What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lexupnext, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? Don't mind the noise in the back, the water noise. That is my turtle fish tank. I just had to let y'all know that ahead of time because it's so loud, and I gotta get another filter, one that doesn't make the noise of the water, you know, that's under the water. But until then, that's the noise y'all hear in the back. I'm coming in, yeah, that's the noise y'all hear in the back. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I installed this wig and got it laid like this with these perfect voluptuous curls, and you know how I got it to look like this. I'm gonna show y'all the install, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I curled the wig and what I did. Before anything, make sure y'all go follow my socials. I'm gonna leave them down on the screen. And then yeah, subscribe to my channel, because who wouldn't want to learn how to do their hair like this? Like, y'all, I'm surprised at myself. I really surprised myself because I didn't think this hair was gonna come out this good. Like, this might be one of my best installs that I've done on myself. And curls, because I don't even do curls. But y'all, when I cut layers in this, and I don't usually cut layers because I didn't know how, but now, y'all, don't play with it. Y'all see this? I'm so happy my hair came out good, but I'm in a rush because I gotta go to work. So I just had to come and introduce this video and let y'all see what's going on. And y'all see my makeup? Perfect. It just all flow together. I got on my outfit for work. But anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what all I did, what all I used, and yeah, like this video. Make sure y'all like this video. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig I will be installing. It is from Unice, and I have used it before. This is what the lace look like, and y'all seen the highlights. The wig is bomb. It's so cute. I just could never install it that good, but this time, I'm telling y'all, this install is fire. So what you want to do is you want to start with whatever glue you're using. I already did the ball cap method. I'm just using Boho Active, and I'm going in with my first layer, and then y'all gonna see me going with the second layer.
Even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record, auto tuning, zero motion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Strip her booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, met her at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to see Trip. Perfect. I took a seat on the ice.
In between layers, you do want to go in with the blow dryer and get it all the way clear as much as it'll go. I know some spots may still be a little bit white, but for the most part, you want to get the glue clear. And then you want to go in with your next layer, which y'all gonna see me do in a second.
I go to waste, otherwise I'm gonna take my rounds. Little taste, Novocaine, baby, Novocaine, baby. Want you, fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, numb. Sink full of dishes, place it in the kitchen. Cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women, flip on a tripod, little red light on, shooting, and I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit, been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut.
Alright, so right here, I'm just pulling the wig up, and you want to line it right with the glue. You kind of want the glue to be a tad bit in front of the lace, just so the edge of the lace will lay down. Because sometimes when you bring the lace a little too far up, the edges don't be laid down good, and you have to go back and add a lot of glue on the edges. So next, you want to make sure you're using a comb to comb back the hair and press the lace in the glue. This is the best way to do it, because if you smash it down with your hand, you're going to push the hair into the lace, into the glue. So you don't want to do that. You want to just use the edge of the comb. And you see how I'm pressing the edge and then combing through and then pressing it again and then combing through. You kind of want to scrape the comb on the lace. And this is just going to help the lace melt into that glue.
Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine.
Okay, so right here, I'm taking the Eben spray, and you want to use the black bottle of Eben. And you just want to spray a little on your finger and go in on the lace. You don't want to just squirt it all over the edge because it'll get on the hair. And it'll start to make the hair a little sticky. So you want to go right on the lace with your finger. And then you want to fold your band so it's on the edge of the lace and not really on the hair. You see how mine is folded, and you want to tie it as tight as you can because this is what's going to melt the edge of the lace into your skin and make it look like scalp. So in the midst of that melting, I'm combing out my hair and I'm about to get ready to curl it.
I got what I wanted, did not, can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto-tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile.
A huge tip when getting your wig flat is to use a hot comb and go in with spritz too. But you don't want to use too much spritz where it get really hard. You just want to use just enough, and when the hot comb glides over that spritz, it flattens the hair really flat. And that's just what I'm doing right here because I needed that front part to be super flat.
Otherwise, I'm gonna take my rounds. Little taste, Novocaine, baby. Novocaine, baby. Want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me done. Love me done.
So this was my first time cutting layers, and they came out so good, y'all. Y'all see, I was kind of struggling. But what I can say is just make sure you're going at an angle, and you can really see the hair and how it's being cut. So you just want to keep combing it out so you can see exactly where it's falling. And just make sure the hair is at an angle, like when you cut it. You see? Y'all see it? Y'all see it. I know y'all see it. So yeah, and that's how you're going to get the perfect layers. And then after you curl your hair, you can also cut more layers into it. So right here, this is going to kind of be self-explained or whatever, you know, because I'm just going to curl my hair. So I'm going to just get through this part. I'm probably not going to stop and talk any. But yeah, you just want to go through and curl your hair. Make sure you're curling your hair away from your face. And that's what I'm doing because that way it'll fall the correct way. I still be having a problem curling the very front part of my hair, but everything came out real cute. So yeah, just make sure you're curling away from your face.
Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me down. Love me now when I'm gone, love me down. Love me down, love me down. Now. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine. I got what I wanted, did not, can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto-tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model broad with a Hollywood smile. Ow. Strip her booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, met her at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to see C-Trip. Perfect. I took a seat on the ice cold dawn. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a this shit crazy. Hopping out the car, no photos, baby. Fuck around with you, I've been throwed off lately. Her shit through the crazy. One time I'ma take my Gucci belt for her waistline. Say you down, gotta stay. Don't let the high go to waste. Otherwise, I'ma take my rounds. Little taste, Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. Want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, numb, numb. Sink full of dishes, place it in the kitchen. Cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women. Flip on a tripod, little red light on. Shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick.
Another thing I didn't add, but it was just kind of self-explanatory, because I put the clamps on there as I was curling. Y'all seen me put the clamps in there. And now I'm using the Sebastian freeze spray. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to spray my entire head with that. And now I'm just about to take those clamps out. The clamps are just to hold the curls in place so they can cool off and be really curly when you take them down. So that's what I'm about to do.
Car, no photos, baby. Fuck around with you, I've been throwed off lately. What I found. Her shit through the grapevine. One time I'ma take my Gucci belt for her waistline. I'm smoking in you down, gotta stay. Don't let the high go to waste. Otherwise, I'ma take my rounds. Little taste, Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. Want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me down. Love me now when I'm gone, love me now. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine. Oh, oh, oh.
So these are the results and how they came out. Y'all see I'm kind of tweaking my baby hair right there. All I did was a little swoop. But yep, so these are the results. I think they came out really fire. I really love how this wig came out. It's real silky, real soft. And I was finally able to get it to my liking. Like I said, I feel like this was one of the best wigs I installed. I cut layers in it. I curled it perfectly. And it's just flowing perfect. I think it may have something to do with the way I washed the wig too, because it's a certain way that y'all need to be washing y'all wigs. If y'all want me to show y'all how I wash my wigs so that they can flow the correct way, let me know, because different hair need different things. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. Real flowy, real bouncy, real curly. And this is just me giving face, period. So I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the rest of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely see y'all in my next video.
Her shit through the grapevine. One time I'ma take my Gucci belt for her waistline. Say you down, gotta stay. Don't let the high go to waste. Otherwise, I'ma take my rounds. Little taste, Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. Want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, numb, numb. Sink full of dishes, place it in the kitchen. Cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women. Flip on a tripod, little red light on. Shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it